God is announcing you ahead of time. If they don't know you, they will not talk about you. So that tomorrow when God will remember you, they will know that that woman go and mock and I just pass. I know my Redeemer liveth. I know he's not far from me. Yeah. I know when he shall arrive, the world will know that my Redeemer liveth. Let them talk about you. I've checked my Bible. In the book of Psalms, he said, don't weep in endure for the whole night. Check in every page of every man's life, weeping comes first. So if you're in the classroom of weeping, my dear, don't kill yourself. Don't be in a hurry to go. Let God finish it once. So that when my day will break, I will enter laughter. If you're mocking me that you never cry for life, no wahala. I take it my own portion. You mock me and say, sins of my head, you never suffer, no problem. As Christmas Day, everybody who is traveling, they are not on the same road. Some day Lagos Road, some day Onitsha, some day Port Harcourt, but Johnny na Johnny. Life giver, way maker, Jehovah, the covenant keeping God, destiny changer, mountain mover, Jehovah, the covenant keeping God. Na 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 na. You know they use me play. Na 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 na. You know they use me play.